Hi everyone, I'm Shinji from Chiang Mai Longstay. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you actually managing your digital data properly right now? Your smartphone photos, computer files, incoming emails? Honestly, I couldn't manage any of it. And that not managing it state was quietly stealing my time and energy little by little every single day. Today, I want to talk about that problem and the simple solution I finally found. Let me start with the problems I struggled with for years. The first one is file organization. Every time I thought I need to get organized, I created folders. 2024_Thailand, important documents latest, travel Chiang Mai. It works at first, but a few months later, I have no idea what's in which folder. So I reorganize, create new folders, start over. I lost count of how many times I did this. There were days when I spent over an hour just searching for things. It would start with, where did I put that folder? Then I'd open every folder with a similar name to check, and suddenly it was evening. That adds up to over 10 hours a month, over 100 hours a year, all gone just searching. The second problem was credit card anxiety. One night I was checking my email and saw an unfamiliar subject line, credit card transaction notice. I opened it to find an amount I didn't recognize from a merchant name I'd never heard of. It said Visa, but I had no idea what store it was. Has my card been used fraudulently? I searched through emails in a panic, opened the card app, cross-referenced dates and amounts. It took over 30 minutes to figure out what had happened. The whole time, I couldn't calm down. When I started using Gemini's paid plan, the first thing I realized was this. Wait, I don't need to create folders anymore. Gemini reads the contents of your files. It doesn't matter which folder something is in or what the file is named. If I think, where was that document? I just ask Gemini and it appears. All those folder structures I rebuilt over and over, completely unnecessary. All that effort I put into organizing, unnecessary. The answer is simple. Just put everything into Google Drive. That's it. No organizing, no folder sorting, no renaming files. Just throw it all in. Store everything in this massive 5 TB warehouse, and the AI knows where everything is. That is the essence of Gemini's paid plan. Let me give you some concrete examples of how things changed. Before, the moment I thought, where's that file, the folder hunt would begin. Not anymore. I just say to Gemini, pull up the Chiang Mai hospital list I put together last month. I don't even need to think about which folder it's in. The credit card anxiety works the same way. Now I just say, last month there was a charge from this merchant. What store is it? Is there any record of a purchase around the same time? Gemini searches all related emails in Gmail instantly and gives me an answer. There's a hotel booking confirmation from the same day. The merchant name is the hotel's local legal entity. 30 minutes of anxiety and exhaustion done in 10 seconds. All it takes is having your data in Google Drive and Gmail connected. Another stress that quietly disappeared, managing file names. You know those PDFs you download from manufacturers' websites? Things like UM_EH_NA_0J_JA_01.pdf or manual ABC123.v2.pdf. You have no idea what they are just from the name. So before, I'd rename every file after downloading it. Panasonic_hairdryer_manual.pdf, that kind of thing. That work added up and kept stealing my time. But I don't need to do that anymore. The AI reads the contents of the file. Whatever the name is, if the content is a hairdryer manual, the AI knows that. Just put it in Google Drive, and when I ask, how do I fix error code E3 on that hairdryer, it gives me the answer. And the evolution of Google Photos, this one genuinely shocked me. Finding one photo out of 5,000, anyone who's tried this knows how painful it is. You think about making albums, but it feels like too much work, so you put it off, and the photos just keep piling up. But now I just say, find the photo of me eating mango sticky rice at the Chiang Mai night market. It recognizes the location, what's in the photo, even faces, and finds it in an instant. Just put your photos in Google Photos, no need to organize. Here's one important thing I want to share. I said just put everything in Google Drive, but there are actually 2 entry points for searching. Knowing this will help you find things faster and more accurately. For documents, emails, PDFs, anything with written text, ask Gemini, where's that contract? Pull up last month's receipts. Look into this card charge. These kinds of questions are what Gemini excels at. For photos and videos, talk to Google Photos. Find the sunset photo I took in Chiang Mai. Show me the video from last year's birthday party. These visual searches are what Google Photos AI is incredibly fast at. To sum it up, text goes to Gemini, visuals go to Google Photos. Just knowing this distinction means you can access almost any data instantly. And either way, your data lives in one place, Google's ecosystem. One place to store everything, 2 specialists to find it. That's the smartest approach right now. $19.99 a month. Some of you might think that's expensive, but consider this. Say you spend an hour searching for things on 10 days out of every month. That's 10 hours a month gone, just searching. Pay $19.99 and that $100 loss goes away. By the numbers alone, that's more than a 5x return. And that's not counting the frustration of rebuilding folder structures over and over, the documents you gave up finding and recreated from scratch, that 30 minutes of anxiety every time a suspicious card charge shows up. None of these can be measured in dollars, but they're all chipping away at your life. Just put everything in Google Drive. That alone solves all of it. $19.99 a month is an investment in making that happen. Organizing folders, renaming files, creating photo albums, all of these were things people had no choice to do before AI existed. You don't have to do them anymore. Just put your data in Google Drive. That's all it takes. Because the AI already knows everything, organizing itself becomes unnecessary. Use the time and energy you free up for what actually matters. Make videos, learn a language, live wherever you want, however you want. That's what I believe is the smart way to live in the age of AI. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your comments and questions are always welcome. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.